Both problem?
Yep.
Okay, so Timothy, what's the first one?
350.
Very good. Okay, so first one basically equals 5 times 7 times 10, 350. Okay, so second one.
Oh, what? No, the
40.
Second one, 40. Adriana, are you there?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are we too fast?
No, it's fine.
If it's fast, let me know, okay? Because again, the video is off. The video is turned off, so I cannot see you guys. I can only hear you guys, okay? So this one, remember the rule? Equals this one times this one. I can separate it, right?
Mm-hmm.
I don't need to find what is the big number, what is the value of 64 multiplied by 25, then take the square root. I can separate it because 64 is 8. This is 5, so it's 4. Okay? Okay. Now let's do a challenge problem, okay? Now see what I circle. Let's do this one. Guys, remember last week? Remember last week we did a lot of problems like this? We did a lot of problems, remember? Last week we talked about exponent. What is 6/5 plus 6 to the 5th power? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's how many times? 6 times, right? Remember last week we do the exponent problem?
Yeah.
This equals what? What is 6 to the 5th power at 6 times? Remember we talked about multiplication?
Oh, 6 to the 5th power times 6, which is 6 to the 6th power.
How many 6 to the 5th power are added here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the same number was added for 6 times, same as multiplication, correct?
Mm-hmm.
When you multiply by 6, it's same as you multiply by 6 to the 1st power. Okay, yes?
Yeah.
So remember exponent, when base is the same, what do you guys do? Exponent, you add together. Okay? So this becomes 6 to the 6th power. So what is the square root of 6 to the 6th power?
What is the square root of 6?
Andrea, do you know what is the square root
Oh,
of?
yeah, I think I have it.
Uh-huh.
Is
Andrea, do you...
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Andrea, do you know this?
6 to the 3rd power.
Yeah, perfect. Right, Timothy? Good? We have the same answer, right?
6
Goes to 6 cubed. Okay?
Mhm.
Okay. The last question. Again, the book is not printed very well. The last question, can you calculate it? What is the last problem? What is 3 squares plus 4 square?
It's 5.
Yes. There's no easy way. All we need to do is we can only calculate it. So 3 square is 9, right? And the 4 square is 16. So which is square root of 25 equals 5.
Oh, so there's no easy way. You just have to like
Yeah,
calculate.
you have to do it.
I can think about easy way for this problem, okay? Because again, it's addition, okay? Addition, I can separate it, okay? Again, I don't want you guys to make mistake. Never think this does not equal to 3 square plus 4 square root, okay? Otherwise, this equals to 3 plus 4 is 7, right? But the correct answer for this one is 5, not 7. Yes?
Yep.
Okay? All right. So let's move, okay? Let's move to the next part. Section number 3. Section number 3, I want to show you guys an example first, okay?
I just realized so far all the times that like we like did what we were not supposed to do with addition square root problems.
Uh-huh.
It was 2 above the actual number.
Okay, yeah, right? It should be 5, but if you separate it, it's 7, okay?
Yeah.
Now let's look at this one. I want to show you one problem first, okay? First problem, square root of x plus 6 is 12. What is x? Can we look at x plus 6 as one item?
Yeah.
Can we look at, so if I look at one item, just like, basically I want to know what square root is 144. I'm sorry, it's 12.
Wait, so it's, you do 144 minus 6.
Yeah, very good. Okay, so look at x plus 6 as a whole item, okay? So I want to know, is it 144, correct? Okay, so x equals 144. I can move the 6 from left to the right, which plus 6 become subtract 6, so it's 138. Okay. Another way how we solve it is, I want everyone to look at it. So when we solve this equation, right? Okay, what you should do, the normal way, what you should do is we take the squares on both sides of the equation. Okay. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
We again, in order to keep the equation the same, if we do something on the left, we have to do something on the right of the equal sign, okay? So we can take the squares on both sides of the equation. So when we do this, remember we have a rule which says square root of a squares is a, correct? So if we do this, we can successfully remove the square root of sign. So the left become x minus 6. The right part, 12 squared, which is 144. I'm sorry, this is plus 6. Okay? All right? So, okay, now I want you guys to try problem number 2 and problem number 3. Okay? You guys try the next 2 problems. I'll give you guys some time, okay?